Hello students, today we will perform ninth experiment, and the aim of the experiment is to perform control of the lamp through two switches. Okay, and it is also known as a state X1. Say, to perform this experiment, we will use one lamp and the reading of lamp is 100 watt, 230 volt. The second thing is two-way switches. We will use such two-way switches, and the reading of the switch is 6 ampere and 230 volt. And obviously we will require connecting wires for making the connection. You can see the circuit diagram here. That obviously on left hand side it is supply. We are talking about single phase supply, 230 volt, 50 volt supply. It is connected to this line and these two switches through this SFU unit. Okay, it is switch phase unit, and obviously it is to protect the exceeding current. Okay, now if you see that in these two-way switches, you can see there are three terminals. This one, this one, and similarly another switch also, that there are such three terminals. You can see that this terminal and this terminal, they are connected with similar terminals of another switch. Okay, so when we want to control this line, switch on or switch off this line using these two switches, what we need to do, that we need to make connections like this. Okay, this end is connected and this end is connected. Let me explain you. When the connections are like this, that switch will be on position and lamp will glow. See, you can see the connection, that from phase current will flow through this part and current will flow through this lamp and will return to the neutral. So in a way that circuit is completed. Okay, now we can do also like this, that this is connected. Okay, it is connected like this. Here we have made connections like this. You can see it. In this case also, that connection is completed. That current will flow from phase, from this part, this part, this part, and it will return to the neutral. So if the position of the switches is like this, okay, the circuit is completed and current will flow. Similarly, if the position is this, in that case also, that circuit is completed and current will flow and lamp will be on. Okay, but if the connection is like this, here this portion is connected, and in this case this portion is connected and it is open like this, and similarly for this phase, that open is like this. In that case, what will happen, that from phase the current will start flowing, but then it will be broken here. You can see here that connection is like this. Okay, but in this phase that connection is broken, so because of that current will not flow. Okay, the same thing will happen if I change the connections in reverse position here. So I am making this connection and I am opening the connection between these two terminals. Similarly, I am completing the connection here and I am opening the connection in this part. Okay, so here also that circuit is not completed. You can see here that current will start flow from here. It will flow from here, here to here, here, and here you can say that circuit is open. And because of that, current will not reach to this line. Okay, so basically, in a nutshell, the concluding part is what, that if the position is like this, circuit is completed, current will flow. If the position is like this, again circuit is completed, current will flow. But if this is connected and this is connected, it is an open circuit, current will not flow. Same way, if this is completed and this is open, this is completed, this two portion is completed, then current will not flow. Okay, so same thing you will say during the performance. Okay, thank you.
Hello students, today we perform a lamp control using two switches. For this experiment, we require one lamp, one holder and two-way switches and some connecting wires. Before starting connection, let us understand about this two-way switch. In this two-way switch, there are three terminals are provided. In center terminal, we are connected with main supply phase wire, and second switch of center terminal is connected with one lamp holder wire, and terminal number 1 and 3 of both switches connected across parallel in our circuit. How to connect circuit? First, I will connect the center terminal of one switch with phase wire. And center terminal of second switch with lamp holder wire. And terminal number 1 and 3 of first switch is connected with terminal number 1 and 3 of second switch. And lamp holder neutral wire is connected with supply neutral wire. Now I will give supply of this circuit. You can see here in both switches are in opposite direction. That time lamp is off. Now in both switches are in same direction, lamp is on. In this way, we can control on or off this bulb using these two switches. Using help of this switch, I will off this lamp, and using this switch, I will on this lamp. Also using this switch, I will off this lamp, and using this switch, I will off this on this lamp.